With the global shift to online shopping, making money on Shopify has become an opportunity for anyone with a vision. Creating an e-commerce store, reaching customers and managing your business is a breeze with Shopify, allowing for recurring earnings. We'll share some effective ideas for making money on Shopify, from selling handcrafted products and personalized services to specializing in affiliate marketing and app development. We'll also look over how to estimate your earnings and additional tips for quick Shopify store growth. Let's dive in and see how to make money on Shopify in 2024. Start an e-commerce store. The most common way to make money on Shopify is by launching an e-commerce store. Perhaps one of Shopify's best-known features is its incredible infrastructure for allowing users to set up an e-commerce store quickly and with relative ease. Virtually anything can be sold on Shopify, from handcrafted products to a service you provide, or something that you're reselling. Alternatively, with a simple Shopify starter option, you can launch a mini-store to start monetizing your social media. It gives people browsing your Instagram, Facebook, or other social media networks to buy directly from the platform. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a great way to start earning on Shopify fast since the seller does not physically store goods in their inventory. To fulfill an order, the seller purchases stock from a third party and arranges to ship it to the buyer. As such, the seller does not handle inventory directly. Shopify also supports dropshipping. Through your Shopify account, you can easily set up your catalog, pricing, and orders to a dropshipping partner. Start an affiliate business. Affiliate marketing is a commission-based advertising and business model that works very well for making money on Shopify. You can choose one of the top Shopify affiliate marketing apps to start an affiliate program for your own store, which involves social media influencers, other websites, and stores advertising your products via their channels. You'll pay these affiliates a commission, but it can help to grow your reach and increase sales. Alternatively, you can sell affiliate products on your Shopify store. If your store has good reach and could use some more product variety, reselling products for a commission-based profit is a great way to make more profit. Create your own clothing brand. If you're a clothing designer or fashion aficionado, put your talents to good use and earn money by starting your own clothing line. Whether you sew the garments yourself or design them and have them produced by someone else, Shopify can help you start a clothing company of your own in just a few easy steps. Shopify has partnerships with Printful and Printify that can help you connect with clothing printers and manufacturers. Retail fulfillment can also be handled by these providers, so there's no need to worry about holding inventory or packing items for shipping. Sell art and digital products. This is another great example of the variety of things you can sell on Shopify. If you're a painter, photographer, digital illustrator, or work with other art media, Shopify is a great way to sell art through your own website. You can also curate art pieces and put up an art store where people can find prints, digital art, custom art, and all sorts of handcrafted pieces. To ensure the security of your digital content and customer data, it's crucial to use robust password management. Password protect your downloadable content and safeguard your online art store with the best password managers available. Sell merch to your fans. Use Shopify to sell CDs, vinyl LPs, and digital copies of your music. You can also use it to sell other related merchandise, such as custom-made guitar picks, drumsticks, guitars, clothing, tote bags, mugs, and autographed photos. Your Shopify store is completely customizable, so you can build a storefront that perfectly suits your band's style and aesthetic. Become a Shopify expert. If you already have a track record of success with Shopify, you can earn money with Shopify by becoming a Shopify partner and helping other merchants build and scale their online businesses. This might include helping with design, development, marketing, SEO, photography, image optimization, and more. As a Shopify partner, you'll also get exclusive access to deals on extra tools that other Shopify merchants don't have access to. These were the steps how to make money on Shopify in 2024. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.